Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to delete cookies in Microsoft Edge. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, to delete all of the cookies in Microsoft Edge, just open Microsoft Edge and then click on these three dots up here. Then go to Settings. Once you've clicked on Settings, click on Cookies and Site Permissions here in the left pane. Then click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Then click on See All Cookies and Site Data. Once you've made it to this page, you can see all of the cookies that you have inside of Microsoft Edge. But to remove them all, just click on this Remove All button here. Then you'll see this message. Just click on Clear, and then all of the cookies will be deleted in Microsoft Edge. If you only want to delete certain cookies, you can just select that cookie on this list, then click on this arrow here so you can see the drop down, and then you can click on the trash can icon to only delete that specific cookie. So I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.